Hi, welcome back. I'm Roland. It's our part 4 now of our discussions regarding basic wall. Our topic for today is about editing functions and coarse scale fill pattern. Before we continue, guys, if you're new, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now let's begin our tutorial about functions and coarse scale fill pattern. What is these functions can do in our project? Like if I'm going to change here in our project, there is some options that we can select. Like here there is foundation, retaining wall, soffit, core, shaft. We have this exterior, foundation, retaining wall, soffit, core, shaft. So we're going to change each. Like okay, the first one, this is our first wall that we have created, and we can edit it. And just as I said earlier, you cannot make a family for walls, because this is a system family and you cannot load any walls. What we can do only is we can duplicate. So we duplicate it, and then I'm going to name this one our wall number 1. Wall number 1. Okay, wall number 1, and then okay, and then okay. This is our wall number 1. If I'm going to select this, the name wall number 1, basic wall, wall number 1. This is a wall, and our next is our family is wall number 1. System family is family type is wall number 1. Our category is wall, and then family is system family basic wall, and our type is wall number 1. Okay, again this one I'm going to duplicate it and make it duplicate, and I'm going to name it wall 2. Okay, and then okay. Then also here I can duplicate it, and I'm going to name it wall 3. Then okay, and then okay, and then here also I will duplicate it, and I'm making it wall 4. Okay, and then okay, and the last one I will also duplicate it and make it wall 5. Okay, okay. Now here in wall 1, I'm not going to change anything. I will accept functions exterior. So here I'm going to change this and make it functions interior, and then I make it alternate, this one also interior. Okay, and then this one I'll name it this is interior, and this one I'll name it exterior. I'll name it retaining wall, and then the other one I'll name it the same. This is exterior. So what functions can do into our project? Our functions can be used to filter list of values. Can be used in a very powerful ways. So how can we filter this? If we have plenty of walls in our project, we can filter it by using functions. How to do that? You can do it by going into our views, and then in our views there is a schedule. You can make a schedule quantity, and then in the schedule you just go and select a wall. I have selected wall, and then OK, and then in a wall you can have family type, go down, family and type, okay, or family, and then I can move this out, family, and then there is functions also, functions, and then place it on the right and move it down, and then okay, then this will pop up. So if I want to see this all, what I can do is I can tile this. You can tile it here, tile, and the shortcut is WT. Now everything is tiled. Now there is a wall, schedule, there is an isometric 3D ground floor, and there is a south elevation. So I want to see this all in one place, because this is not very clear, so I can zoom this all, zoom all, then zoom all. As you can see, if I'm going to this wall, I want to have a wall, this wall. There is a basic wall, and basic wall type wall 1, wall 2, wall 3, wall 4, wall 5. This was we have created earlier. And then I selected this. You see, when I selected this, it's highlight wall number 1. It's highlight. If I'm going to select this, it's highlight wall number 2. This wall number 2 highlights. And then if I'm going to select wall number 3, then they highlight. And then again also here, this is also highlighted there. If I'm selecting this, and if I'm selecting all, like this one, so wall 1, and control this, these are all highlighting. Like I'm going to highlight this, and then again I'll go back to this. I'll go here back, and then I'll want to tile only this one, so that the tiling is WT, and if you want to go back, just type TW, and then I'm back here. So I'm going to select one, and then edit, and then in edit I have again another one that is very important to remember. I have a function, and then there is a coarse scale fill pattern. So what is that coarse scale fill pattern? So I want to zoom this out one, and I'll go back to this wireframe. So this is a wireframe, and make it coarse, and then go to functions. I selected one. I go to edit type, and then you see this coarse scale fill pattern, and you click it, and it brings you to a fill pattern. If I want to see in my fill pattern this brickwork, I can select that, and then OK, and then apply, and then you see there is. Then again, what else can we do with the wall? I have selected this, and you go down, and we can type the model, the manufacturer, type comment. If I'm going to type a comment here, you can we don't have a comment yet, so I can comment here and want to say this is wall one. You can make a wall one. You can say edited. And if I'm going to make that one, I can make a description also, and I can make the type mark. So I can make a type mark. So you say I'll type it wall one, and then I can make a cost also here. I can make a cost and everything, and then okay about walls. These are all the things that we can do in walls. In creating a wall, we can create walls, and we can make some options like core to choose. Again, our constraint, and then our top constraint, the level where we're going to set this one. And if I want to discuss also to you guys about the modify thing. If I have a wall, like I'm going to create a wall like this, and then here, as you can see, there is also a chain I have created. If I'm going to create like this wall, and here you can see a chain. There, check chain. If I do it like this and go there, automatic I have another one chain like this. Okay. If I'm not going to select that chain, like again, I make a wall, and uncheck the chain, and then I go there, and I cannot make it anymore. I need to click it again, once again, into another one, and do again another wall like this. Okay, like that. And here you can change the orientation of this also. Make it there outside, and then here we have selected this core face interior, and you make it center, but it doesn't go. What you can do is you can align this one into the center. Yeah, this one I want to discuss it to you, the uses of all this modified thing, this one. So by aligning this, you just only select align, or the shortcut is AL, and then align, and then you can align it, and then up the center, and then line. And you can also lock if you want this one permanent and cannot be moved. In that, you can lock it and lock, and you cannot move this. Cannot move it. It's locked. You can change also again this wall orientation. I can change it there back, and if you see it there, came back, and there it is only moving on the center. Okay, and then I delete this, and then again, what else can we do? We have seen this align, and another one, there is an offset. Offset means if I click this offset, I can make an offset. If I'm going to create another one like wall, this wall, you can click this, and it's offsetting into one. Or you can change this one, make it 2, or make it 5. You can just click it there, or click it here outside of this one, and then again I have an offset of another one. Offset. And then again, there is a mirror. mirror. These are all modified. There is a mirror here. There is a mirror in one axis click, and there is a 2-point click. Like if I want to mirror this, like I'm going to mirror this, and click this mirror, and I click it here, there, it goes one click. And then another one, if I want to mirror this by 2 points, I can select this and here, then again another one. And then there is what you call move. I can move it. Just move it. And I move it. And there is also copy and join. There is also copy. Here, copy. I just click this copy, and then I copy it here and copy it there. There is also a trim. Let's say this one, TR is the shortcut. Trim extend. This is trim extend. This is trim single elements, and there is also a trim multiple. Like I want to use this trim extend here. I want this one and this one joined together. Just click this, and here and here. Now they are together, trims. And then again, there is a trim single elements. If I click this and I want this one remove, I just click this and then click that, and then it is removed. And then there is another one here, modify trim multiple. I just selected this, and then I can trim it multiple like this. And then again another one, there is a cut. Like I cut the split or split. The shortcut of this is I can split it. Now it's split. They are already divided into two. I can delete the other one. Split. And there is another one, split here. Split gap. There is a gap. If I click that split gap, there is also a gap. What you call this option. You can change the gap maybe 0.1. Then I click it and I made a gap of 0.1. Okay, and then there is also a cut. There is a geometry like here, wall joints. If I'm going to select this wall joint, like this joint, wall joint, these are all joined together. As you can see, this wall and this wall are both joined. Now I can have an option for this, like if I'm going to select this wall joint and select this, I can have an option. I can have a bat, and if I click next, then it's changing. Before, next here, and then next there. I'll make this one fine. See? And then again I have selected this, and the next it goes there. Then there is also miter. If I'm going to select this miter, this one will become like this. Make it realistic. Miter like that. And then there is a squirrel. See this changing. Then back to miter. See this changing also. Go back to squirrel here, and the next it goes there. Next squirrel. Next. Okay. And then I want miter again. then my turn, and here it goes like this. There is no next for that. There is a view setting down, chain, clean, don't clean, and then another thing, allow joint. If I click this allow joint, see, there will be no joints. And if I'm going to create another one, wall, I want to create another wall, and then I have remove this. I just make this joint, this allow joint, and I make a wall. They are not joined. I can join them again if I'm going there and go to join geometry, just select this and there, and now they are joined. So those are the modified tools that we can do. There is also here a copy. We can copy, and we can, if we select this, we can copy, and then we can paste it into, paste from the clipboard, paste, align in a current view, align in the same place, align in a pick level. You can choose a level. If I want to same place, they are copied in the same place. Or also here, again, there is also what we call view. This view is we can hide this view by if I'm going to hide this view by hide elements, hide category, and hide by filter. If I will hide this element will hide. If I'm going to undo it, and again I hide it again, I hide it this by category. All of these same category will go out, and then I again make undo, and then back. Again, there is another one. Here, this is a paint. Override graphics. Override the category graphics, and there is also a section box view. Like if I'm going to select this, and then I click this section box view, it brings me into this view. It boxes me into this view. This one view. Like again, I'm going to create. I will undo it. And I make another wall. Create similar wall. Then I make a wall here, and then I trim this. Now here I want to trim this and there. And then I want to select this and here only, and then I want to box it, and then there. Or again another one, I want only this portion box, then I box it, and I'm only working into this box that I have created. And again, when I box it, see, I can box it and I can also extend it. So while working here, I can do such modifications by only working into this place. You see, I have already extended this box. There is also a blue line of extension into that box. Again, there is another type of box that we can do also. Like I'll undo it. Then I'm here on this 3D view, and I did not select any wall, so it means to say I'm on the plan, and I can also box it like this. There is a box. I check this section box, and then there comes the box also. And then in this box also, I can again drag this and make it small. I can also make it like this. Okay. Those are the commands that we frequently use. This is what we use it in facing, demolish. This is demolish, and we use it also in paint. When we are painting the wall, we can change this wall. If I'm going to click this paint, then it brings me an option of selecting a material. So if I have selected this material, I can paint it here. And then now it's different now. This one. Okay, and this one is for the roof, to join the roof. We will discuss this later on when we are in the roof. And then this one is splitting a face also. As you can see, you can split the face by selecting this face, and then you can draw and you can split the face, and then check it, and then this face is already split. You can select the face also. You can change this also, paint of this face. Like I want to change the paint of the face, so I go to paint and select this, and now I can select this. Now it's okay. Those are the things that we can do and modify. Here also we can create some group. We can group it. This one is create assembly, and we can create by parts. So along the way, guys, we can we will handle all of those things along the way. You will learn that one while you were already familiar with the Revit command or tools. These are all the tools. One by one, we're going to create a project using the walls, and then we will do something in our walls. So next step I can do, since now this is up to this now, and next we're going to create something again up to the roof, so that we can discuss also about these things. This roof. This is roof. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope